Dear students, in this unit we will talk about gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the higher plants which bear naked seeds. Now the name gymnosperms means naked seed. It's a major distinguishing factor between gymnosperms and the flowering plants, which are also known as angiosperms. These are two subgroups of seed plants, and they are the most successful of higher plants as well. The ovule and seed of gymnosperms develop on the surface of modified leaves that usually form a cone or strobilus, and the plural of strobilus is strobili. So, in contrast, the angiosperms, they have different adaptations, but these gymnosperms, they are different in such a way that their fruit is developed on the surface of modified leaves. The term gymnosperm comes from the fact that the ovule and seeds of gymnosperms develop on the scales of cones rather than in enclosed chambers called ovaries. As you can see here, this is the cone, and the scale of cones carries seeds on them, and they are naked, they are not enclosed, just like angiosperms in their ovaries. Now, the seeds of gymnosperms, they either develop on the surface of scale or on leaf-like appendages of cones, or even at the end of short stalks. The largest group of living gymnosperms are conifers. It includes pines, cypresses, and their relatives, while the smallest one is ginkgo. This is the single living plant species found in China. Conifers include pines, firs, spruces, larches, junipers, cedars, cypresses, etc. Now, just like the other higher plants, gymnosperms, they have vascular tissues, means xylem and phloem are present, which help them transport water and nutrients. This gives them the ability to grow large in size, and their life cycle has alternation of generation, just like the life cycle of flowering plants or angiosperms. Now, gymnosperms and flowering plants, both, they do not have free living sporophyte, rather their free living gametophyte, rather their sporophyte is free living and is diploid and is more successful when we talk about the alternation of generation in these plants.